episode na naman ng ating Tipid Travel 101 series. Ito pala ang Rain Vortex sa Singapore. Nasa loob ito ng Jewel Changi Airport. Mas maganda to sa gabi dahil sa colorful lights, as you can see. Nice. And ito pala yung world's largest indoor waterfall na man-made. So, iconic. Enjoy!